This is a quick demo of the Universal JAMMA Kit running in a SEGA Lindbergh cabinet. Basically, I've got a CPS2 board hooked up here with the Universal JAMMA Kit, which let's see if I can get some light here. So basically, you've got the Universal JAMMA Kit right there, hooked up with a VGA cable. And then, of course, stereo audio coming from the PCB. This right here is the control panel harness. This is basically the wiring harness that goes up into the I/O and basically transmits all of the JAMMA inputs and outputs to the JVS I/O. I've got this one hooked up to an OSSC. This is not a stock Lindbergh monitor. I'm not sure if the stock Lindbergh monitor will accept 240p because I don't have one to test with, because mine was completely shot in this cabinet. So this is replaced with an LG computer monitor. But hopefully somebody who has an original stock Lindbergh monitor can test this at some point and confirm whether or not 240p works. Power is being provided by the Lindbergh power supply here. We've just got a JVS cable. Actually, I borrowed this one from the Vuelix, because I've also got a Lindbergh power supply in the Vuelix as well. But Lemony Vengeance on arcade projects can make this for you if you need one. But basically, you get JVS power here, and stereo audio comes from the board directly on this, but we do also have a stereo jack here to get stereo audio out if need be. Okay, so that's basically a demonstration of how it's all connected together. Let's take a look in the control panel. So I want to show how this is all connected. If you take a look, I've got my console I/O in here, but basically you got your SEGA JVS I/O, and then connected to that we have a board that converts the wiring harness that comes from the Universal JAMMA Kit and connects it into the wiring harness for the control panel. This transmits everything, including the coin switch, service switches, test switch, all that stuff, and then of course all the control panel buttons. And then this plugs into your JVS I/O, which also allows those signals to pass through to the I/O. So if you're running a JVS board, you don't have to remove the JAMMA Kit. That's pretty much it. We go ahead and coin up. You can see that we have a working game. Alright, well, that is basically all that I wanted to show here. Just an example of the JAMMA Kit running in something other than a Vuelix. Hopefully I'll have an opportunity to get a hold of a Namco Noir I/O so that I can work on that as well and see about getting it working there. Alright, we'll catch you next time.